Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Leo. Let's see kung ano yung mga paparating na mensahe and energies for you. Ano yung mga gabay at mga blessings na paparating sa inyo. Mga gabay, energies, and messages for Leo, please. From the universe. Okay. Page of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong someone na nagugustuhan or you are interested on someone. Okay? Pero you feel that they are leaving you behind. They are moving on. They are walking away. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are leaving a situation na you seem hindi para sa inyo, okay? Yeah, you know you deserve better for some of you, Leo. Yeah, merong improvement when it comes to your money or when it comes sa inyong kaperahan, okay? You are also thinking kung ano pa yung mga ways para ma-improve ang inyong situation, ang inyong work, ang inyong project, okay? Ang inyong finances. The Devil. Yeah. Merong obsession. Yung iba sa inyo, merong mga negative attachment or you are in a unhealthy or toxic relationship. Okay? For some of you, you are overly focused on material things, on your finances or money, okay? Yeah. Pero meron kayong kakayahan para i-release ninyo ang inyong sarili sa ganitong sitwasyon, no? Sa isang addiction, sa isang obsession. Yeah, for some of you, you are obsessed on someone, okay? Merong lust. Rivalry and competition. Okay? When it comes to work, everybody wants to be on top. Okay? May mga gulo or may mga chaos, no? Or disalignment na kailangan bigyan ng atensyon sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah. Seven of Wands, you are showing strength, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are defensive, no? Sa inyong ginagawa, sa inyong trabaho, okay? You are learning to say no for some of you, sa mga distraction, okay? Yeah. May mga issues na kailangan mong bigyan ng atensyon, Leo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you have to defend your position. Okay? Happy home life and contentment. Yeah. Kasaganahan sa inyong sitwasyon or sa inyong family life. Leo. Okay? Trustworthiness in the relationship also. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong celebration and togetherness with the family. Okay? Yeah, blessings again. Merong support, merong love na ino-offer or merong resurgence of the relationship, no? Or panunumbalik ng pagmamahalan or ng isang relasyon. Okay? For some of you, there is someone also that will yung magbibigay sa inyo ng regalo. Okay? You feel light, you feel happy. Merong contentment sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, this is a new home. Nagpaplano kayo na bumili ng bahay or tumitingin kayo. Okay? Eight of Swords. Sometimes this is just an illusion, no? Na parang you feel trapped or you feel blocked. Okay? You need to take action, Leo. For some of you, you need to be confident. Okay? Sometimes you feel that you are powerless, but it is only in your mind, no? Yeah. Six of Cups. Okay. Someone is missing you. Okay. Maybe a relative, a family member na malayo sa inyo. For some of you, meron kayong matatanggap na communication, no? Maybe from an old friend. Okay. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, parang naalala nyo yung mga happy moments, okay? Happy moments in the past. Yeah. For some of you, you are showing kindness and support to someone, Leo. Let's see. Meron ding forgiving and healing na nangyayari ngayon sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung meron kayong maybe someone hindi maganda yung relationship ninyo before, and now they are showing forgiveness. Okay? Merong healing sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? The Hierophant. For some, meron commitment issues or may problema when it comes sa inyong marriage, okay? May mga questions or may mga concerns about moral values, okay? Your moral compass. Yung iba sa inyo, you are seeking help or support, no? Or advice from someone na mas nakakaalam regarding commitment, regarding marriage. Okay? There is also concerns about staying or making your own path, whether in a relationship or sa trabaho, or sa company. Okay? Yung iba siguro sa inyo ay nag-iisip, no? If you are going to quit or to stay, no? Yeah. You are seeking advice or guidance, no, from like-minded friends for some of you. Okay? Your hard work or your skilled work is being rewarded or will be rewarded. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pinag-aaralan, meron kayong minamaster na skills or talents na makakatulong sa inyo to earn income. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be using your skills to earn. Okay? Meron kayong dinedevelop na skills or talent or meron kayong minamaster or pinag-aaralan. Okay? Na nakakatulong sa inyo pagdating sa inyong finances or kaperahan. Okay? The World. Significant achievement, no? There is pride, okay, in your achievements. Yeah. You will be completing a phase in your life successfully for some of you. Okay? maybe completing a project, okay, na magbibigay sa inyo ng pride. Yeah. You will be achieving something successfully, Leo. You will be recognized for some of you in different countries or worldwide. Yeah, for some of you, travel abroad. Okay. Yeah. The Empress. Okay. Kasaganahan, abundance, and prosperity paparating sa inyo. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga naisip na negosyo, okay, or mga ideas, mga creative na activities, it's time for you to give birth on that. Showcase your talents, your skills. Magbibigay ito sa inyo ng chance to earn, no? To be abundant in life. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, you are looking good, no? You are parang blooming, okay? Yeah. May kasaganahan sa inyong sitwasyon. Abundance because of your skills, because of your talents, because of your achievements. Okay? The Tower is a good surprise, no? Merong distraction, okay, or unexpected change in your situation, okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you need to embrace the change and see the silver lining. Okay, may mga purpose kung bakit may mangyayari na pagbabago sa inyong buhay. Okay. Yeah. Sudden or unexpected, no? Na pagbabago, magandang pagbabago sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? It's something na you will be surprised. Okay? Two of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. You have two sources of income for some of you. Yeah, you are balancing your situation or your finances for some of you. Good money. Okay? Money will come. More money. Yeah. Parang magbabalanse ka lang, parang left and right yung money na darating sa inyo. Yes. Yeah, you feel good. You will feel good about this situation, no? You will be nurturing yourself. Developing yourself. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a romantic situation or ang love relationship nyo, parang sa step up or next level na. Okay, seryoso. Knight of Wands, no? May mga exciting or adventure awaits for you. Okay? Again, kasaganahan. Your business or yung negosyo mo will be going well, okay? Mamamayagpag. Yeah, for some of you, you will be enjoying life luxuries, okay? Yeah. Self-secured, or you will be financially secured and independent. May security pagdating sa money. Leo, okay? Because of your creativity, delays are over. For some of you, there is good news. Many things happening at once. For some of you, magiging busy ka, okay? You will be proactive sa inyong ginagawa, okay? Yeah. Madami din kayong ginagawa. You will be busy. Work-life balance is needed, okay? For some of you, Leo. Let's see, ano pa yung mga additional messages for Leo? Bird, perch, waiting for news, package, or letter. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong inaantay na good news, okay? Or letter or announcement. You are waiting. Firecracker, excitement, no? Merong adventures awaits you. Exciting things, mga happenings, good happenings, okay? Box, you will receive a gift. Okay, yeah. For some of you, baka nga may package kayong inaantay. Okay, you will be receiving it. You will be receiving good news, exciting news. Well, family wishes come true. Okay, merong kasaganahan sa family. Kung ano yung wish ng isang family, that will be granted. Okay. Bridge, successfully overcoming a problem. Okay? Magkakaroon na ng solusyon ang inyong mga problema, yung mga challenges, yung mga sufferings and sacrifices nyo will be rewarded. Okay? For some of you. Okay? Yeah, good news. Tingnan natin. For Leo, please, spirit message. Anong message mo for Leo? Leo. Don't allow anyone to abuse your power or take it away from you. Remember, you will be treated how you allow others to treat you. Show them that you value yourself far too much to settle for anything less than you deserve. Okay? You deserve better. You deserve more, Leo. Okay? Do not allow anyone to abuse you. Okay? And to take away your power. Alright? So, these are the messages for you, Leo. All the best. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!